Good afternoon, children. Today again I came with a new lesson. What is our lesson? Lesson number 9, my safety. Lesson number 9, my safety. So from the childhood, our parents they have given much more cautions or much more guidance for us. Yes, you must not go there without elders. You must not touch this, that, and all. Don't touch sharp things, this and all. Our parents they have guided. Yes, and even in the current, you must not switch on the light or switch off and switch on. You must not play on that. Even these also they have guided. Why they are guiding? So that we must not get any hurt or injured. Yes, so they used to give us guidance. Be careful with this, be careful with that things. If unknown person is asking anything or giving anything, something to eat, or he is saying, come, I will drop you, come with me, I will drop you to your home and all. If they say, you must not go. Who says? Our parent. Yes, even our family members, they also says. Why? They are giving instruction to be careful. They are guiding us. Even they are making us ourselves safe. Yes, no? Same in this lesson also. We are going to learn about the safety. What and all we are going to learn? Safety at home, safety at school, safety at road, safety at playground. Okay, these all will learn stuff. You all will learn detailing. Okay. Before going to that, we will see keywords first. Okay. Safety. 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 Habit. HABITS. 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 Hammer. 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 Wounded. 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 Dangerous. DANGERS. Dangerous. DANGERS. Dangerous. Protect. 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 Guidance. 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 Grinding stone. GRINDING. Grinding. STONE. Stone. GRINDING. Grinding. STONE. Stone. Okay. Grinding stone. Bangle piece. BANGLE. Bangle. PIECE. Piece. Bangle piece. Okay. Cautious. 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 So children, safety means what? Safety means we have to keep ourselves safe from all things like current, like unknown person, from the light, or while playing in the ground, we must be safe. So that is called safety. We must be careful from all the things. Habits. Habit means you all know. Yes, good habits. Yes, you have to keep the habits of maintaining safe from all things. Hammer. You all know the hammer, no? The carpenter, he used hammer or nails to ham on the nails so that the wood or any benches we can make or we can do, we use hammer for that. that. Okay, wounded. If we get hurt or while cutting the knife, we get a small scratch and it may bleed. That is called wounded. Dangerous means what? Mom, she used to say, don't touch hot water. It is very dangerous. Don't touch the switch with a wet hand. And she used to say, no, that is called danger. That will be cause harm for us. So she will say that is danger. Don't touch anything like that. Protect. Protect means what? If anything happens with us or we fall down, or if anyone beat us or anyone has hurt us, so we have to protect ourselves from them. Guidance. Mom, she guides you, you must cut the vegetable like this, or you must operate the current things like this, or you must light the cracker like this. You must maintain distance. This all she will guide. That is called guidance. Grinding stone. Grinding stone means nowadays in our native in the village side, grandma she for grinding batter, idli batter, dosa batter, she used that grinding stone. Nowadays we are using grinders and all, children. So that stone is called what? Grinding stone. Okay, or you can call grinder or grinding stone means in the olden days our grandparents they used the stone. Yes, to grind for batter. All rice and dal we used to grind it. No, nowadays we are using grinder, mixers and all we are using. Okay, so that is called grinding stone. Bangle piece. Bangle piece means what? Broken bangle piece is called bangle piece. Cautious means you have to be careful with everything. Okay, that is called cautious. Okay, now we will go to our lessons. Now, safety at home. Safety at home means what, children? For example, you are helping your mom. Yes, you are during the vacation. Your mom to help your mom. We used to help our mom in cooking ways or in cutting vegetables. Yes, while cutting vegetables, your mom, what she says, you have to be careful. You have to hold your knife like this and hold the vegetable like this, or carrot, beans. If you are holding, you have to hold like this. Now keep your hand away from the knife. And you have to cut it slowly like this. You have to cut like that. She will say yes, no. And by mistakenly, if we cut while cutting, we will get injured. So she will guide us. While cutting the vegetable, you must hold the knife, and the other hand you must keep distance. While cutting, you have to be concentrate and you have to cut the vegetables like this. She says yes. And even while cooking also, she is frying something in the pan with a spoon, or with a long spoon. No, that time even you also go, Mama, I will also fry with you like that. You also do like this. That time what she says, you must take care of your hand. If you get injured means you will be hurt. Yes, and you will get pain. No? So that she will say, while cutting vegetables or while using gas stove, you must be very careful like that. Yes. Next, safety at school. Safety at school. During the break time, you people stand on the bench, or you are running from here and there on the bench, or you are fighting with the friends. You should be very careful. You must not fight and you must not harm others also and yourself also. Yes, you will be injured. If you get hurt means what happens? You will get pain, severe pain. You will get bleeding. So you must be careful at school school also. While sharpening pencil, you must not throw or you are throwing chalk piece on your friends, or you are pinching, or you are doing any things, means you must not do like that and all. Okay, that may hurt your friends also. So you need safety at school. Next, safety at road. While crossing road, you must take the help of your elders. Okay, you must take the help of your elders. You must not cross by your own way. You may get injured, or you may make accident. Okay, so we must avoid the accident, means we must take the help of our elders, or you can go by subway, or you can use zebra crossing also. If the vehicle stops, that time you have to cross the road. Okay, children. Next, safety at playground. While playing on the playground, you must be very careful and very safe, because most of you play the playground, football or cricket, like this and all you will play. So you must be very careful that while throwing ball, it may not hurt anybody. Okay, so you must be careful with that also. Okay, children. So do's. While crossing road, we must take help of elders, or use subway or zebra crossing. While crossing the road, you must take the help of your elders. Okay. Next, while lighting crackers, we must maintain distance from the crackers. Okay. While you are using crackers, you must don't go nearby the crackers and you don't light that. You must be distance and you can light the crackers. Okay. If it bursts, means it may harm your eyes or your face. Okay, so that must not be happen, means you must maintain the distance from these fire things. Okay, while if you are using knife also, you must be very careful while using the knife or scissors or any sharp things like bangles. If bangle piece is there, throw it into the dustbin. Okay, don't pick with your hand. You clean with the broomstick or with the cloth and throw it into the dustbin. Okay, even glass piece also throw it into the dustbin. If it harms the legs, it will be bleed. You will get injured. Okay, to say you have to be safe with these all things. So children, while switching on the light or fan, you must not switch on or switch off light with a wet hand. Okay, if you get any injured, or you may affect current shock or earthing. Okay, so you must not go there. If there is any wire cut or shock current is passing, means you must not stand there. Okay, so you must not use any current things or any sharp things. You must not use. Even like blade, you are sharpening the pencil, means you must not use the blade. Use a sharpener. Even while cutting the nails also, few of you students, you will use blade to cut the nails. So you must not do that. If you want to cut the nails, use the nail cutter, or you must take the help of your elders, sisters, or your mother, father. Okay, children. So these all are safety things. First, safety at home. What and all you must avoid? You must not touch sharp things like knife, blade, or scissor. These and all things you must not touch. Even the switchboard, current switchboard also you must not touch. Okay. And while if you are lighting the crackers, you must wear rubber sandals, rubber chappals or sandals, like that you have to wear it. Okay. Next, safety at school. You must not stand or you must not run on the benches. Yes, no, you people used to run on the benches and used to fight with your friends, or used to throw duster or chalk piece and all used to throw. No, you must not do that. Even it may harm you also, even your friends also. If the chalk piece goes into the eyes, it may affect a lot. Yes, no, it may affect a lot. If you are running on the benches, means if you fall down, you may get hurt here or on your hands or legs. Okay, so that must not be happen, means you must play safely. Okay. Next, safety at road. Safety at road, you have while walking, you must not throw the banana peels or any waste on the road. Okay, you must not throw there. If any elder people, if they come, they will get scared. Okay, you must not throw any kind of waste on the road. You must put all the waste into the dustbins. Okay, and you must use, while crossing road, you must take the help of the elders only. Okay, and you have to see the vehicles where it's moving. That time you have to stop and you may walk. Okay. Next, safety at playground. In a playground, if the tar gate may be there, so you must not climb on that. Or while playing, don't throw the balls on each other, or even while playing on the sand, in the sand also, you must not throw on each other like this. Okay, it may affect their eyes, it may affect their face, lots of dirty germs will be there. Mama, she guides you, once you come out from home, means you have to wash your hand nicely with the soap. Go and take a bath and all, she used to say. Yes, why she gives you this much cautious? To keep yourself careful. That's why she teaches you each and everything, no? Yes. So same in this lesson also, one girl, she has done same mistakes what her parents they are saying, will see. Okay. So take out page number 87. Page number 87, My Safety. Develop personal safety habits in local environment and simple methods of safety. So we had in our house, our parents, they have given us lots of safety habits. Yes, we must be very conscious while using sharp things, or even if we are using like a current, means we must be safe. Yes, even now some of you people have learned to use how to use the current and how to light the gas stoves and all. No, yes, even while cutting the vegetables or in the cooking time, you must not put your hand on the hot water, whether it is hot or not. You must not dip like that your hand. Okay, these are safety things our mom, she has teaches us. Yes. So here in this lesson also, here the mother and daughter, mother, she is cooking, she is preparing everything for cooking. Here daughter, she is saying, I will also help you for cooking. So mother, she is guiding the daughter that while cutting vegetables, she have to be safe. How to cut the vegetable, she is teaching, and she went there in the kitchen for cooking. While cutting, she has get injured. Yes, she has lightly scratched in her finger. She gets bleeding. Then mama, she is giving her first aid. So what happens, children? What is given? So while cutting vegetables, we must be careful with the hand, finger and the knife also, because knife is very sharp things. If it cuts, means we get bleeding, so much bleeding we will get. Okay. So that must not be happen means we must be very careful while cutting vegetables or while using blades and all things. Okay. Next, these are the things you all have to fill all their names in the given boxes. Okay. So there are the pictures. These are the pictures of some of the things which are used commonly in our house. Write their names in the box provided. Why we use this knife? We use for cutting vegetables. So you have to write here knife spelling KNIFE, knife. So while using knife we must be very careful. Okay. Next, blade. What is this? Blade. We use this blade. Yes, our father he used blade for shaving and all things. Yes. So we have to be very conscious with this blade also. If you are using blade, take the help of our elders. Okay. So you have to write here in the blank space blade. Next is hammer. We must not use this hammer. If anything we have to hang on the wall means we can take the help of our elders. Okay, they will help us. This hammer, why it helps? If any wallpaper, any family photos or anything frame is there or God frame is there, we can hang over that. For example, we have hanged here the God photos. Okay, God frame also we have hanged, or calendar also we used to hang in our home. Okay, we have to take the help of our elders or our parents. Okay. Next is grinding stone. As I said you, in a native, our grandparents she used this for grinding the batter. Yes, so that is called grinding stone. Grinding stone. Okay, and next is this is grater. We grate coconut with the help of this grater. Yes, Mama she won't allow us to touch this. So why? Because we don't know how to use this grater. Yes, no, only elder people they will use this to grate or to cut vegetables or anything for any other use purpose. Okay. Next, iron. Even how many of you have used this iron? I think maybe we have not used this iron to ironing our clothes. Yes, our mom she used to help us in the ironing clothes. Yes, if we use means we will be injured. We will get hurt in our hand or fingers. Yes, so she will say better you avoid using this. If you have become elder, that time if you are grown up, that time you can use you are used to iron your clothes. Yes, till now our mom she help us to iron our clothes. Yes, no, mom she says stay away from the iron box. Yes, no. Next, scissor. Even for cutting chart to stick in the books also, mama or our sister brother they help us to stick their pictures. So they will cut and we will stick the pictures in the book. Yes, so they won't allow us to use all those sharp things. Even this electric things also. This is gas stove. Even she won't allow us to go and stand nearby the gas stove also. Yes, no? Yes. Why? Because we get hurt, we get injured. Yes, without knowing, we people will see like this and all. While cooking, if we see like this means we get burnt. We get the steam water will get into our face. Okay, so that we get hot burning type sense we get. Okay, so that must not be happen. That and all, our parents, they will, our mom, she will take care of us, that all things. Yes, so while frying also, the frying thing, the oil things will fell in our hand or something, in our face also. Okay, so that she will say stay away from that, stand far away from that, and you see, like that she will say. Yes, no, she won't allow us to use the gas stoves and all. Next on page number 89. Okay, can you see children's getting hurt in this picture? How, why are they getting hurt? Have you ever done any things, do crackers or so crackers before? How will you protect yourself from such dangers? So here what this boy is doing, see children, he is boiling the water, but the water is boiled or not, he is putting his hand into the hot water. Is it correct? No, that is not correct. We must not put the hand onto the hot water because we may get burnt. Yes, our fingers may get burned and we get injured. So that must not be happen, children. If it gets heat, we can see the steamer sound. Okay, the boiling sound also we can hear it. With the help of that, we can sense it that the water is heated or boiled. Okay, next, what this girl is doing, she has got injured while cutting something. See, knife is also there and she gets bleeding. This also, you must not use knife without the help of your elders. If your elders is nearby you, you can take the help of them. You can learn. You can take the help from them. How to cut? Just teach me. Give the train. Take the train from them. Okay. Next, what happened? The glass piece has fall on the way. That time he got hurt. So that must not be happen, children. If any glass piece or bangle piece is there on the way, you must take and you have to throw it into the dustbin or clean it with the sweeper or something. You have to put it into the dustbin so that another person, they won't get hurt. Okay, next, while walking on the road, we must not throw any waste like banana peels or another fruit peels. We must not throw like that only. If we throw like this, we will fall down. Okay, so that must not be happen, means we have to throw all our waste into the dustbin. Okay, and we must not play in the current. With the current, we must not play with the current. Okay, that may harm us. Okay, we may get shock or we may get earthings. Okay, next, what else? We must not sit near the well. Well will be there, and we say, I will sit for a while. We must not do that and all things. Okay, this is also very dangerous for us. Next, we must not cut anything with the help of the scissor without our parents. Okay, if they are there, we must take the help of our parents. Okay, so we can, if you are going to cut any pictures or anything, you must be very careful while cutting the chart paper or any papers for the craft. You must be very careful with the fingers and the scissors also. Okay, keep your finger far away from the scissors. Next, if you are doing any carpenter work, anything, wood item means you must be very careful with this. Okay. So next, while lighting the crackers also, you must start this. While lighting the crack, crackers, you must stand very distance from the crackers. Okay, children. Next, you must not fight with the friends, not throw sand or anything on their face or on their eyes. It may affect others also. Okay, children, like acidic things, like you're squeezing lemon or anything in their eyes means that may affect them. Okay, and if you are cutting chilies and whatever things, you must wash your hand. Without washing, if you do like this means it may harm your eyes. Okay, because chili is very sour, so very spicy. Okay, chili is very spicy. If you rub your eyes with that hand only means that you will get very itching and burning sensation. Okay, so you must wash your hand. Whatever things you are using, or you are using the board or wall or dusted part means you have to wash your hand. Without washing, you must not touch your face or eyes, anything. Have you got it, children? Next, we should not use a knife, a pair of scissors and a saw without the help of elders. If we follow the advice of elders, we will never be in danger. If we follow all the guidance or whatever cautions they have given us, if we follow, we will be very safe and we will keep ourselves safe from all other things. Okay, don't throw piece of bangles, blades, glass piece in the playground or in the classroom, in your classroom. Yes, you must. If the scale has broken means you must not throw like that only. It may hurt or it may scratches anyone's leg also or feet also. Okay, so you must throw into the dustbin. If bangle piece has been broken means pick that, throw it into the dustbin. Okay, take a guidance of the teacher in the school when you are using a knife or a switch. Yes, if you are going to switch on the light or fan means you must call teacher, I want to switch on the light, please help me. Or if you are cutting anything means, Mama, I am going to cut the vegetable, so I need this vegetable to eat, please help me. I need fruit to eat, please help me in cutting the fruits. Or you can call your brother, sister also. Brother, I need to stick this chart, I need to stick this picture, I need to do this craft, so help me, like that you can say them. Okay, and while using glitter also or any sparkling things also, if you are using means don't use by your own self. You have to call your elders, keep your elders nearby you and you have to use it that. Okay, children, make sure that there are no sharp things like piece of glass or waste things on the playground while you are playing. Yes, if there is stone or any glass piece or any sharp things is there, clean it that and you can play on that place. If there is not safe means don't stand. You must maintain distance from there and keep safe other from that place also. Okay, and help others also. Say don't go there, that is very dangerous, that is not safe for you. Come back, like this you can help them also. There will be students who are younger to you. Here, be cautious and see that they are not in danger. Yes, if any small baby or whoever there when playing, there will be any sharp stones or any sharp things or glasses there, make them safe from that things. Okay, help them to be cautious. Don't go there, that is danger place, don't go there, go back, like that you have to help them. Okay, if anyone has fall down because of the banana peels or they have get skid and all, help them. Okay, children, don't run away from that place, you must help them. Okay, next is look at the given picture, put a tick mark for the correct action and wrong mark for the incorrect actions. Okay, now here See here children, here the girl, she is cutting something nearby her finger like this only. So is this right or wrong? This is wrong. Why? Because whatever things we are cutting means we must hold the paper. We must hold the paper like this, distance from the scissor, and we have to cut it like this. Okay? We have to cut like this. Don't cut nearby your finger like this. You may cut your skin also. It may bleed. You may get harm. Okay? To be careful means you have to keep your scissor and fingers also distance. You have to hold like this and you have to cut it like this. Okay? Next here see, here the boy is doing something repair work. So what we have to take help of our elders. We have to take help of our elders. Okay? Next, here see the boy is throwing the waste in the footpath only. In the road only he is throwing the waste. Here the boy, what he is doing, he is crossing the road with the help of the subway. From the subway he is walking. Okay. Next, what here the girl is doing? The girl, she is lighting the cracker from the distance. We have to maintain distance. If there is cracker means we have to light like this. We must not go near by the crackers. Okay. See here the girl, she is doing same thing. We must not do like this. Okay. Next is if we are having something chips or banana or wafer or any sweet things means that wrapper or that the fruits peel or a vegetable peel, we have to throw it into the dustbin, not in the footpath. Here the girl, she is throwing in the footpath, and here the girl, she is throwing into the dustbin. Which is correct children? This is correct, this is correct, this one is correct, this one is wrong, this one is correct. Okay, you have to put the tick mark which is correct and which is wrong. Have you all understood children? I hope you all have understood about the lesson on my safety. Okay, so you all have to maintain safety at home while walking into the road or while playing into the ground or while playing with the friends. Even at home also you must be very safe with all sharpening or the current things also. Okay children, thank you. Next time I'll come with a new lesson. Thank you.